Stereo plays maracas, solo inside door panel-free percussion. Kiki plot thickens. Fixed customer swapped battery now radio locked. Out can only stare at main menu brick mode engaged. Car refuses to sprint, feels like running through mashed potatoes. Dealer blames turbo or exhaust system, throws dart at board. Let us perform actual science. 16,000 miles on clock, basically newborn. Floor mat too thick acts as speed limiter, surprise governor. Safety belt pretends to be loose, spaghetti offers 0 hugs. After pothole impact, rear wheel wobbles like hula hoop champion. Brakes filed for vacation, driver requests refund on stopping power. Fresh engine installed, car still refuses to wake up, new heart same attitude. Mechanic checks if throttle body opens, invites itself to party. Intake pipe explodes under pressure, almost barbecues entire bay, fireworks free. Chaos. TPMS light on suspected bad sensor, reality check, pressures reading 4.5 bar. This tire thinks it is basketball. 5.5 bar, 4.5 bar, 4.8 bar, we are making balloon animals. Customer reports transfer case acting sus, vibes are off. Mechanic finds case cracked like dropped iPhone. Owner attempts epoxy surgery to glue gearbox back together, science project. Heard loud bang, then this happened, customer has 0 clue, mystery box unlocked.